Hello and welcome to another unboxing. And in today's video, I got two Hot Wheels. So, I went to check, finally, today to see whether there has been a restock, but no, there was no restock. But I did purchase two Hot Wheels Fantasies, since I didn't have them yet. And the first one is a Diora 3. Let's open it. And here it is. I actually have now three Dioras. So I have the last year's Deco one and like from 2023. I do have one also. Next car, which is new for 2025, Hoverback. Let's open it. And here it is. I wanted to see, is this hover actually good? I don't know how to figure it out, so hopefully this will be a good tow truck. Bye bye!